Hi there, my name is Barak Tonayer with Halstead, and I'm standing right here next to one of my favorite places in the whole world, Carnegie Hall. And the question is, how do you get to Carnegie Hall? Well, one way is to practice a lot, but the other way, you can live right here across the street at the All-In Court. You have Central Park, a block away. You have Time Warner Center, Columbus Circle, 2 blocks away. You have the city's greatest restaurants and theaters right in this area. And you have the All-In Court. It's absolutely incredible. Now let me show you the lobby. So speaking about making a grand entrance, what a way to come home. This lobby is absolutely stunning. Look at this skylight. Now, let's go upstairs. So coming into the All-In Court, I go back in time to the time when they really knew how to design spectacular real estate. And right here is your dining room. Could you imagine bringing your guests here, having a dinner party, the crown moldings, look at the hardware, spectacular. So as if I'm going back in time, walking right into this incredible living room. I call it the Grand Salon. This place is 27 feet long. I got a working fireplace. Could you imagine hosting a concert in here? Maybe a grand piano. And for all your lucky friends, you're gonna be lucky enough to be invited for dinner and maybe a concert in your grand salon. Right here is where you prepare all the food to entertain. It's got very high ceilings, love the chandelier. The storage here is all the way up, so there's not an inch of wasted space. So this apartment has 2 bedrooms. Each one of them can really be the master bedroom. They chose this one to be the master. Got closets here, closets there, closets right outside, and has windows facing north into 58th Street. So originally, when they built the All-In Court in 1909, there were only 2 very, very grand apartments for each floor. Wouldn't you enjoy a wardrobe room such as this? This is absolutely spectacular, and if you want, you can also convert it into a second bedroom quite easily. So keeping up with the theme of regal, grand, where else in the city can you find bathrooms like that? This tub is spectacular. I feel like I'm in Paris, stepping into another era. So when I think about apartment 5A right here at the All-In Court, one thing comes to my mind. Privileged living. You have location. You have immaculate renovation. You have grand proportioned rooms, grand salon. Give me a call, Barak Tonayer with Halstead. I'll be happy to show you.